Is football coming home?
No!
Mae yna un gêm ar ôl o'r Euros, 90 munud a gallai rhywun at hunlla mwyaf Cymru. Lloegr yn ennill tournament. Ond dwi'n meddwl bod hi'n bwysig bod ni'n paratoi am y gweitha. Felly, jyst rhag ofn, dyma'r top 5 tips am sut dim dopi os mae Lloegr yn ennill i'r Euros. Sorry. Rhif 1, blociwch, mutiwch, unfriendiwch. Peidiwch a roed eich hun drwy'r tro yma o'r fod allan tweets. Are we all English now? Neu I'm Welsh, but. Os oes na Facebook status yn cynnwys y geiriau coming neu home, da chi'n gwybod be'n neud. Football's coming up! Blocked. Lovely day today. Daughter from uni is coming home. Blocked. Oh my god, I've lost my cat in the Bangor area. Has anyone seen him? Please, I just want him to come home. Blocked. How do you feel about England in the final of the Euros?
Gutted, mate. Gutted. Never hear the last of it.
Excuse me, is it coming home?
No.
Yeah, thank you, that's what I need. Is football coming home?
Is it? Fuck.
Football coming home?
No.
Yeah. Is football coming home?
It is coming home.
Ah, shut up. Rhif 2, keep them out. Yn ystod Covid, oedd hi'n anghyfreithlon i Saeson ddod i Gymru. Yn dilyn buddigoliaeth i Loegr, dwi'n meddwl ddylen ni'n neud eto. Just cadwch nhw allan at all costs. Following an England win, I will build a wall. They've been discussing another travel ban or building a wall if England win.
Yeah, block them out. Get rid of them.
Mark Rakeford said it in the press conference this morning.
Why not? Where do I sign up?
Are you Welsh or English?
Welsh, I'm Welsh, yeah.
Will you be supporting England?
Of course I will.
We're not going to hear the end of it.
Trump, I fucking hate that man, but bring him over here and build the wall for Wales and England. He can do that, and then he can fuck off.
Rhif 3, tynwch eich sylw at rhywbeth arall. Anghofiwch am y pêl-droed. Newidiwch y channel. Mae Love Island ymlaen. Pa ffordd well i anwybyddu'r Euros na gwylio criw bobl ifanc yn gorwedd yng ngwmpas, yfad, a trio ond methu cael siag. Chydig bach fel maes bi.
There's a boy from Merthyr Tydfil on it, our town, you know.
Oh, really? Oh, yeah. Liam.
Liam, yeah.
That's the one.
I'm a friend of his father.
Are you?
And his mother.
Nice boy?
Yeah, good kid, Liam.
Would you be happy for England if they won?
No.
Rhif 4. Pan da ni'n gwynebu trychineb fel hyn, mae yna draddodiad yng Nghymru o wneud rhywbeth effeithiol iawn, just diflannu. Nath Owain Glyndŵr wneud o. Mae sôn bod Brenin Arthur a feilwyr mewn ogof y rwla. A sy'n neb di gweld Glyn Wise ers talwm, diolch byth. Mynd off-grid di'r peth i wneud. Rwla sy'n heb signal. Pentre bach neis yn Sir Benfro, neu Pen Llŷn. Lovely nice. Alright, mate. Welcome to Abersoch. Oh, shit. Ail Gartrefi. It's coming home. Which bloody home? Where do you think you could go to hide from any mention about the Euros?
Top of Snowdon.
Nice. Rhif 5, gwadu. Smalio na dydych chi rioed I clywed yn bêl-droed. Why is ADOS going home? Who's ADOS? No, I don't think it counted. No, I don't think it was fair. I don't think it has come home. I don't think it is coming home. I don't think it will ever come home. I think it's fake news. And I think you're a terrible journalist. How would you feel if England won the Euros?
Just devastated.
Have you been watching England play?
No, not really.
Do you want England to win?
Not really.
Do you want England to win?
Nope.
No?
No, I want Italy to win. I think that's who they're playing.
Forza Italia?
Forza Italia, of course.
How many bottles will you drink if you lose?
I cannot count them now. I don't know which mood I will be.
Come on, Cymru. Tiwniwch mewn i'ch inner Joe Calzaghe, Max Enwedig, Bella o Samtan, Forza Italia, Chiunque trai Inglaterra. Per favore.